How to add email to Telegram on iPhone. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add email to Telegram on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom right here. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security right here. Then select it. Then tap on to login email right here. Now select it. Then tap on to change email. Now from here you can simply add your email. Now add your email just like this and tap on to continue. And after doing that, you can simply add your email to Telegram. And that's it. This is how you can add email to Telegram on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.